right, so I'm back to share a haul as well, excuse me, as my Stamp Joy unboxing. So I did buy this. Is coming out of their new collection. It is called Spring Array. And so basically you get the stamp, and when you stamp it, it's mostly like the greenery. And then I have the stencil that you can go ahead and overlay on top of it. And, you know, you could either stamp it, or I'm sorry, you can either stencil it with ink, or you can stencil it with paste or other products. And so you just do all the layers, and they have guides, and then you also can use the stamp set. This is a clear stamp set. So pretty cool. And then let's get one. I'm not going to show that yet. So then I also got this, which is Spring Squad. It's a die and clear stamp combo. So basically you use the dies to make these little critters, and then it comes with the stamp set that you can do the faces, and you can do sort of the accent pieces of the animals. And then, oh, I did get the die that goes with the Spring Array. So I got this mini slim stencil. Some of this products is stuff that I needed for Stamp Joy. I think some of these are ones I needed for Stamp Joy, but I've got this one, which is the Birds and Blooms stencil. I think this is part of the ones I needed for the Stamp Joy. The mini slim stencil, I think I needed for that. This masking stencil ovals, I think I needed for Stamp Joy, so I bought that. And then, they had a promo. So not only if you spent $100 did you get the gift of the month. Like last month, the gift was the Good Hearted Background. This month, February, it was Get the Word Out Hello. So you get the hello stamp and the hello die if you spend $100. And then you also, if you spent $75 as an additional gift, you could get this layering stencil, which I did get because that was a fun little gift. And then, of course, whenever you buy anything, they give you a little gift. So the gift this time is this flower array, and it says thanks a bunch. And I have not used these, and I wanted to do something where I use all of those, but that has not happened because I have just been too busy. So the other thing that I got was, I think this was the first kit that they did. I didn't buy the last kit because I have something similar. I don't really need that. But this is this kit, and they come with this fun bag, and it's Oh What a Day. And in the kit, you get the stencil. You get this stamp set, which is a clear one. It's called Essential Sentiments. They go really well with this right here. I get the die set, and then this really cute stamp set that you can make a bunch of different projects with. They have like a get well, and then they have a graduation and a birthday, and the rest could be whatever, you know, you want. They give you the ideas here. It could be a baby, a thinking of you, just a note. And then you get envelopes and seals, and the seals are super cute. And then you get this focal frame that your little critters can fit in there just really nicely. So, and then also I think you also get these little gems. So you could do a shaker with the gems or however. So I'm excited about that. I'm not going to get to any of these products in a while because I have a stack of new things that I'm going to get through, except for this. So when you order from the Virtual Stamp Joy, this is spring 2022, you get some products, and some of it might be product that doesn't go out again. It might be product that will be sold later. And so I always pay for the extra class because you get cool stuff. And I'm so glad that I did. So this is the kit for the extra class. And we're going to make like 3 or 4 cards. And all the pieces to make those cards mostly are in here. There's a couple of additional things that they suggested we purchase. And so I did purchase those items, but I love, love, love all the products that we got for Stamp Joy. It's amazing. So this is a Stamp Joy exclusive, so this one probably means it's not going to be for sale. It's called Floral Flurry. It's a stamp and stencil combo. So you get the stamp and you get the stencil. Let's see how it. So let's see, I think, yeah, it's just the stamp, and then you get all the stencils. Sometimes they give you the clear, but there's this one that doesn't do a clear. And so you also get this sending hugs, which is part of this get the word out. Because so I think I showed you guys the hugs that you got for the hello we got for free. This is the sending hugs, which is part of that same sort of collection, and it comes with the die. So I'm not going to pull out all the paper and whatnot. You don't really care about that. I will share all the completed cards once I've done the class. And then here is the main kit. So let's get crafty. So all these goodies. I'll show you all the goodies that we got. So the first thing is they give you all of the things that you need to make the card. So anything that's not like an item that they told you to either buy or get, and some of those items are just, they're pretty much optional, then they make sure that they prepare those products for you so that, you know, you have them so that you can make the complete card. And so these are all the different cards that we're going to make in the session. I am super, super excited that we are getting a Create in Quads layering stencil. I did some cards with the hearts. I love, love, love the Create in Quads. I'm going to end up getting them all because they are amazing. So basically what it is it's a layering stencil. You cut your paper to 8 by 10.5, and then you layer. And you can see on my channel I've got some hearts ones, but you also can do a search and find other people who've done the cards. So you basically layer them on top of each other, and you change colors with each one, and you end up with these different patterns. And then once you cut your card in quads, in 4, then you end up with 4 different patterns on your cards that you can then make into different cards. So you get panels. So basically you could do whatever you want. And I showed in my videos, I used other product. So I used like the Greeting Farm. I think I used something, I think I used, I forget who else I used, but I used some different some different products to go with these. And I really, really, really love them. And this one says it's a Stamp Joy exclusive, so it may not be for sale for this particular Create in Quads layering stencil. And so I'm excited about that. We got that, and when I saw that we got that, I was really, really happy. So, and they give us envelopes to go with all of our cards and seals so we can send them off. And then also in here is this. It's Both Ways Background Paradise. And I guess what this means is it's tall enough to be the mini slimline, but also to go on a regular A2 size card. And so I'm excited to see how we're going to use this stamp set. And then we've got these sentiments. These go really nicely with that quad stencil because it's got these little kind of quad pieces, I guess, that you can fill in maybe with different colors or different patterns to kind of customize your quad, which I think is pretty cool. And they kind of have this modish, sort of modern looking sentiments. So I think those would be really great for boy cards, actually. And then we're getting this little bits stars, which I think make good confetti, and I think that'd be kind of fun. We'll see. And then here is a stencil that is called Wild Willow that we're getting. And then this is the stamp panel that they give us. And so these come from different stamp sets. So they just kind of customize and make us our own personal little stamp set of all the stamps that we're going to be using in the classes. So that's that. And then they usually give us a treat. So this time they gave us, where is she from? Iowa? I forget. Illinois? I forget. But we get caramels. So that's fun. I'm excited about that. And then this says closed until closing session, but I'm a peeker, so, you know, I don't like surprises. So let me go ahead and open this. Okay, so the gift at the end is these cute stickers. This is Changing the World. This one's a magnet, and this one's a pin. And then put the pin there. And then this is a magnet. So I'm going to put that on my fridge. And then just Changing the World one card at a time, which I think is some sort of a sticker. So that's our gift. And that is my Tailored Expressions stuff. So thank you for watching. This is Cindy, Cray at the Heart.